What's up, gang? Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And I must say, this video is like super impromptu. Okay, I did not know that this foundation actually was in stores in Ulta, because the last time I checked with Trend Mood on Instagram, she had posted something about it coming out July 9th on the Colourpop website, and I thought it was like universal. I guess I thought Ulta was gonna get it July 9th. Girl, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. So I decided to just go out for a few minutes, and I stopped at Ulta just to browse around. And lo and behold, girl, I find the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Foundation stand with the shades. And I was like, girl, like, what is this? And an Ulta employee actually told me that I guess they hit Ulta stores and they only have 29 shades available in Ulta stores, but they actually hit Colourpop's website July 9th. And that was it for me, girl, because I was just waiting on July 9th to pick it up. So might as well pick it up now, right? So I went ahead and picked up one shade. Now in Ulta stores, they do have it available for in-store pickup, and they do have it for online pickup in Ulta only. But what I found out is that Ulta is only carrying 29 shades, so I don't know why they're only carrying 29 shades at this time. But when you look on Colourpop's website, it says that this foundation comes in 42 shades, so just keep that in mind. Also, let me tell y'all something. When I was at Ulta, it was very hard to find my shade because they are not letting you test out the foundations anymore. They don't have any testers, and you know, rightfully so, for hygienic reasons, because of like C19 or whatever. I completely understand, but I was like, I was shook. I was like, is this the future? Like, that's the reason why I like to go to Ulta and I like to go to Sephora, so I can be able to like see it, touch it, feel it, match my color. And now that we really can't, girl, like, I don't know, it just got me feeling some type of way. Like, what is a makeup junkie to do? Anyway, so this video is going to be a review on the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Foundation. I believe this goes hand in hand with Colourpop's Pretty Fresh concealers. Girl, I did a review on those concealers, the hyaluronic hydrating creamy ones. And if you guys remember in that video, I love those concealers so much. And let me tell y'all, I have been using those concealers a lot. So in that video, I love those concealers so much. I said to Colourpop, I said, Colourpop, this is me telling you that if you come out with a Pretty Fresh hydrating foundation around this formula, I'm going to buy it. So I kept my promise and I bought it. So if you guys want to see how this foundation works out, keep on watching. Y'all saw that new intro, didn't you? Yes, mama has been working. Mama has been working, okay? And don't mind the nail, girl. The nail is gone. These are press-on nails because I am too terrified to go out at this time. In my state, the infections are rising, so I'm just like waiting for it to die down, girl. I might get out maybe like late July, early August, I don't know. So I haven't had time to do my nails, so I keep wearing these press-ons. And I honestly can see how people are using the press-ons and they're literally lasting like 3 or 4 weeks. I don't get it. Like, if I bump my hand, it literally pops off in a second. I watched all of the YouTube videos, girl. All of the YouTube videos on press-on nails, on how to make them last, and it don't work for me, okay? So I don't know. So here's my Ulta bag, you guys. I'm so excited because I feel like I haven't been out in a while. I haven't been actually out to an Ulta or a Sephora ever since like the whole C19 thing hit. So just being out for a few minutes, even though I had the mask on, girl, just being out, it just made me feel a whole lot better. And walking around and seeing all the new products and makeup, it just exhilarated me, girl. So anyway, girl, the star of the show is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. This is the box. Now, I believe the concealers came in a box similar to this. I just really love the simplistic peach packaging. It looks just so cute. The color I got was medium dark 147W for warm, and this is how it looks on the actual box, like the swatch. And that's basically what I went by, were like the swatches on the box, which is like, I feel like is very deceiving because it looks like my color. To me, it looks like my color, but watch it be too light, girl, because I haven't opened this at all. I literally just got home, started my eyeshadow and decided to film. And so this is going to be kind of like, I guess, a first impressions and a review, because I have not opened it. I have not checked the foundation color yet at all, girl. I hope it's right, but normally when I go off of the actual swatches on the box, it's normally not right. So again, the shade I have is medium dark 147W, and I'll read some claims for you guys on the back. It says the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation is a hydrating foundation with skin perfecting medium buildable coverage for natural, healthy looking skin, okay? And it says it includes hyaluronic acid and coconut water. So if you guys are like allergic, or if you guys are irritated by coconuts, if this does have coconut water, I know a lot of people who actually cannot tolerate coconut stuff. It doesn't bother me. My skin is not sensitive at all. My skin has been burned, scrubbed, whatever, with whatever. But I do know a lot of people, when it comes to makeup, are sensitive to coconut. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, it says dermatologist tested, oil-free, and vegan. Those are the little claims on the foundation, girl. It claims that it's giving us a natural look and it's supposed to be hydrating. This retailed for $16, which is great. I mean, Colourpop always brings it with the great prices. And it looks like this is 30 ml. Let's see if I can find it on here. Yep, so it's 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce for $16. Great price for average amount. Taking her out of the box, this is how it looks outside of the box. It's just like a little pump there, really cute. So looking at the color in the glass, or not glass, this is like plastic, I feel like it's my color. I feel like it's a pretty good match, and I am really relieved at that, girl, because, you know, I hate to return things. Like, do y'all feel me? Like, I just hate to go back and return things. I hate it. So let's hope that this is my shade, but it does look like it's my shade. Even though it's the summertime, I feel like I'm a little bit darker than I was in the wintertime because it's summer. But we'll see how it goes. Let's swatch it first on the side of my face before we put our primer on here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I feel like it's a tad bit light, but I mean, I guess we can make it work. I'm pretty sure we can make it work with some like bronzer or something. So this is how medium dark 147W looks on my face here. And so we're just gonna focus solely on the foundation. So I already have my eyebrows prepped. I already got my eyeshadow on, girl. I don't know what I was doing today with the eyeshadow. Okay, I tried to do something, okay? I tried to do something, girl. So the primer I'm using is the Olehenrikson, what is this? Olehenrikson Banana Bright Face Primer. This is a new primer for me. I got this in the Trend Mood Olehenrikson Takeover box, and I haven't used it yet. So I decided that I was going to use it today because my skin is a little dry. Even though outside here in Virginia, it's super hot and super like moist and muggy outside, but for some reason my skin is still dry, which is unusual. But then I feel like it feels oily. So what is that, combination? Yeah, like combination. I feel like my skin is like combination for some reason, even though I'm normally oily. This foundation is supposed to be medium to buildable coverage. When I did swatch it on my face, I felt like it wasn't thick, but it wasn't really runny either. It was kind of in the middle. We'll test out, I believe, we'll do like 2 pumps and see what's up. So that's 2 pumps I got. Ooh, and I think that's kind of a lot, girl. I'm up here wasting foundation. Yeah, I think that was too much. I think you probably just need 1 pump. And I'm going to use a brush. You guys know I'm a brush girl because I like to build up my foundation to full coverage. So I'm just using my Minted Cosmetics brush, and we'll go in. Oh, okay, so it's covering everything. So maybe this is a true medium. I do feel like it's a true medium buildable coverage. Oh yeah, and I feel like 1 pump would have been enough, but that's okay because just that much already did the whole half of my face. So coverage, yes. It does have great coverage and it's very weightless. I don't feel anything on my skin. I feel like the girls who want like a weightless foundation is gonna like this as well. Cause you know, it's summertime. I feel like during the summertime, I don't like to put on so many layers of foundation, you know? Cause then you have to make sure it comes off because it's so hot and muggy and everything. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more and I'm gonna do my upper thigh head and the rest of my face, girl. And we'll put a little bit more down here just so it can cover most of my hyperpigmentation, but I feel like it covered mostly everything. It actually looks pretty good, and it looks like it's oxidizing. Do you guys see? Looks like it's oxidizing a little bit. So wow, it does give you like a natural finish. It does look very natural. It's not so dewy because it says it's supposed to be hydrating, but it is giving off kind of a natural finish. I'm gonna put a little bit more here and here where I have most of the hyperpigmentation, even though I feel like it covered it up pretty good. So I do think that we can say this is a true medium buildable foundation because I feel like I'm building it up just fine. Like it's just building up perfectly. Just gonna cover my little acne, girl. My skin is really acting up. I don't know if it's just because of the stress, because I've been kind of stressed a little bit. I don't know. But my acne is like so bad, so. Thank you, Colourpop, for the coverage, girl. So what are you guys thinking? Okay, I wonder how it looks on camera. On my end, I feel like it matches me pretty good. I feel like it kind of oxidized a little bit, so it kind of got a little bit darker, which is good for me. And I feel like it matches. It matches my, well, I feel like my neck, I don't know. I feel like it matches my neck. Maybe my neck is a little bit more yellow and lighter, but I feel like it pretty much matches my neck. And I personally think it looks really good, you guys. It looks good. It looks flawless, like, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I like to finish my makeup on camera just to see how, you know, other products react to my new foundation, girl. So we are gonna go in with concealer, of course, with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. You guys know I use two colors because I like a super bright under eye. So I'll take the lighter one on the inside and then take the darker on the outer side there. And I'm gonna set my under eye with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal powder. And I am gonna bake, so I'm just gonna let it bake for a little bit, and I'm gonna contour my face using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the color Tan. I'm also gonna go in with some bronzer just so I can look a little bit bronze. Girl, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzers. I have been loving these bronzers as well. If you guys saw my video on these bronzers, like, I just love, 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 love them. And they're just so big. Look how big they are. So big. Like, this is definitely gonna last me not only all summer, but like damn near 2 or 3 years or something, right? Look at this color, you guys. Look at this makeup. I'm just getting my life here, girl. I'm getting my life. Dusting that excess bake that I had on. So I haven't set my face yet, but I did put a number of powder products like, you know, my under eye translucent powder and then the bronzer, but I still feel like the makeup looks fresh. Okay, so it's like a natural finish, but it still looks fresh. And I'm still gonna set it though. I'm still gonna set it because I am naturally an oily girl, even though my skin feels kind of combination. I am gonna set it just a little bit, but I still feel like the makeup looks really good. It's holding really good. It covered all of my imperfections. I feel like Ooh, my face just looks so smooth and flawless. What do you guys think? I'm gonna finish this look off with a little bit of highlighter, girl, from Marc Jacobs and Jet, girl. Oh, honey, I'm loving this makeup. Oh my god, this highlighter freaking pops, you guys. Now I'm going to set this foundation with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. It is a bronzer, but for me, it's my color. So I just like to set my makeup with it all over because it has like little gold specks of like flakes in it. And I feel like it gives me just an extra glowy look. And for my lippy today, I'm not sure which one I want to go with. It's either out of Sugar Pills Keepsake or Cherish, and I think I'm gonna go with Keepsake. I think I'm gonna keep with like my little mauve theme I got going on here. This lippy is the Sugar Pills Trinket Trio. It's a part of the Trinket Trio, and it has like little flecks of gold specks in it. You guys can check that video I did like a swatch video on it. It's gonna look so cute when it activates. Watch. You guys see it? Can you guys see the glitter in the lippy? Oh my god, I see it. It looks so cute. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. Now, in my professional makeup opinion, girl, we are gonna get into my final thoughts on this foundation. And I will tell you guys, I keep looking in the mirror because it looks so good. It looks so good, okay? For $16, Colourpop, you did that, okay? You did that. This foundation is so weightless. I don't feel anything on my face. As you guys can see, it's so flawless. It's so flawless. It's not as hydrating as I thought it would be. It actually has a nice smooth velvety feel when it goes on the face. But you guys saw it did have a little bit of shine to it, but more like a natural finish, and that's what it claimed. I do believe that it's buildable. I think it's like a true buildable too, because you know we get those foundations that say, you know, they're buildable to full coverage and they turned out to be like really sheer and you have to really put a lot on. I feel like you didn't have to do this with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. I feel like I used too much. As a matter of fact, when I pumped out those 2 pumps, I could have just used 1 pump and we would have been fine. Like, it covered all of my imperfections. I feel like my face just looks so flawless right now. What do you guys think? Okay, so unfortunately I'm not gonna do a wear test in this video because I am gonna go back out because my face is just beat, girl. I got to go somewhere because my face is just so beat. Face is beat. So I'm not gonna do a wear test, but I do love this foundation. I'm giving it a thumbs up, girl. I recommend it 100%. It's $16, okay? Go get this foundation, honey. Smash that like button, guys. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can know every time the gang posts a video, okay? And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.